What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the power steering fluid on this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So the power steering fluid reservoir is located right here. Twist the cap off. This one appears to be leaking a little bit. The dipstick is part of the cap, so you can wipe it off. Make sure the car is not running when you do this. Put it back on, take it off, and check the fluid level. You want it in between those two lines, and it looks pretty good. Now you can reinstall the cap, and you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.